5 amazing health benefits of chia seeds. What are chia seeds?
Chia seeds are the tiny black seeds from the Salvia hispanica plant, a member of the mint family. The plant originates from Central and South America. As an ingredient, the seeds are incredibly versatile. A particular note is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel. This means they can be used to thicken sauces, used as an egg replacement, and make a sugar-free jam.
1. May promote bone health.
Chia seeds are a rich source of minerals, which are known to be beneficial for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. A 25 grams portion of chia seeds contains approximately 158 milligrams of calcium, which makes a significant contribution when compared to the equivalent amount of milk.
2. May be good for your heart and lower blood pressure.
Including chia seeds in your diet appears to have cardioprotective benefits. This may be thanks to their polyunsaturated fat content, high fiber levels, and anti-inflammatory properties. Chia seeds and chia flour have also been found to lower blood pressure in those with hypertension. The effects were relevant for both medicated and non-medicated participants. However, it's worth remembering that any dietary change needs to be accompanied by lifestyle and exercise modifications to have any appreciable benefit on heart health.
3. May improve blood sugar management.
Studies examining the effect of chia seeds on blood sugar control in animals showed an improvement in insulin resistance. This was echoed by similar clinical studies examining the effects of bread made using chia seeds on reducing blood sugar response in humans.
4. May reduce the risk of diabetes.
The nutritional makeup of chia seeds, being rich in polyunsaturated, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber, makes them especially suited for helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Some research has suggested that chia seeds may be beneficial for overweight and obese patients with type 2 diabetes. However, there is no conclusive evidence to suggest chia seeds can directly reduce the risk of diabetes.
5. May improve digestive health.
A handful of chia seeds, 25 grams supplies almost 9 grams fiber, which makes a healthy contribution towards the daily recommended intake of 30 grams. Adequate fiber in the diet is important for digestive health and for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. A diet rich in fiber lowers the risk of a number of diseases and also reduces all-cause mortality. If you like this video, kindly please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.